Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about format specifier. It means here you can see when I print ln something, I want to print something, that time actually I have used print ln for the new line, and here you can see the output is number. Okay, so I have to use here plus sign to concatenate the something with string, right? So what can I say here? I can actually use here printf for the format specifier. So we have a bunch of different format specifiers, like first of all, let's say we have a character, right? So for character we have a format specifier like %c. For string we have %s. For integer we have %d. For float we have %f, and we have some other format specifier also. So when I use a format specifier, I have to use here printf. So let's say I want to show here printf. So I will say System.out.printf. I'll say printf. Okay, here the s will be capital. Okay, System.out.printf, and here I'm going to use this sign, and I'm going to say here the number. Okay, the number is colon, I can say here, let's say %d, right? Because it's an integer number. So what I have to do here, I have to give a comma, then the variable name. If I run the code, here you can see the output, and the number is 10, right? So we don't need to actually give here plus sign. We can actually print through format specifier. What we have to do, we have to just say here printf. Okay, remember you have to use printf instead of println. So when you use printf, you can actually use format specifier like %d for integer, and here rest of them you can see float, %f, character, %c. Okay, so now let's go for all these examples. Okay, you can see we have character y, right? And here we can say that, okay, I'm going to actually remove this one. I will say, I'm going to comment out it, and here I'm going to say System.out.printf. Here I'm going to say that your name start with, I'll say %c, because %c for the character, right? Here I'm going to use comma, then c, the variable name, and there is name. And now here you can see we have float also. So for the float we will actually use here %f. So I will say here printf. Okay, and I'm going to say float value is, here I'm going to use %f for the float, and here I'm going to use comma number 2. So now let's run the code. Here are the output. So the number is 10, float value is like this, are you student, true. So for the new line we can actually say here \n, right? For the new line, every single time we have to use \n for the new line. I can comment out it. For the boolean we can actually use here %b. Okay, %b and \n for the new line. And here I'm going to remove the plus sign, and I'm going to say here comma, and here I have to say printf instead of println. Here we have everything. Okay, now let's run the code once again, and here you can see everything is in new line, right? Are you student, true. Float value is 10. Okay, number is 10, and double value is 10.22. Your name is start with y. Everything is working perfectly. So these are actually format specifier. Okay, so I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.